What if getting lost in a hurricane led to finding the love of your life? Marcus was trekking solo through Jamaica's Blue Mountains when he found Emma, a British photographer with a sprained ankle. A Category 3 hurricane was approaching fast. He could have left her and reached safety alone, but something made him stay. They built shelter in an abandoned coffee plantation as winds howled around them. Through the terrifying night, they shared stories, dreams, and discovered their passion for adventure. When dawn broke, Emma photographed Marcus against a stunning rainbow. They extended their stays, fell deeply in love, and built an eco-tourism empire together. Sometimes the storm brings you exactly where you need to be.